Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to see when you joined Facebook on mobile. So first of all, open Facebook apps. Now I'm opening it. Tap on the right corner three line. Tap on setting icon. Scroll down. And click here to access your information. Continue. Scroll down and tap on the personal information. This is my Facebook creation date. That's how you can easily check your Facebook joining date. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.